You are not keeping friend. You are not lasting with your friend. You are always having problem with your friend. It's because you don't know, you have never find out that your friend is a human being. And remember that every human being have two things, two characters, the good one and the bad ones. So if you did not think of this and you jump into a relationship, you can never last. The relationship must break up so fast and quick. Mmadụ na-abụ, mmadụ nọ n'ụwa nwere omume na-abụ. Omume nke dị njọ na omume nke dị mma. In this our wicked generation, when someone will always calculate the bad side of his friend and forget the good one. When some people use the bad side of someone and judge him with the good ones, you will forget all the good share. Everything. So easy when you people just have a little problem. You will never even count of one. The good one that your friend have done to you. I simply believe that before you call someone your friend, you have seen something in him that you love. You can never go close and make a friend without seeing something that attracts you to that your friend. Let us stop telling lies. That is why I call it wicked generation. When a friend cannot keep a friend. A friend that you have been enduring, tolerating. You did not break up. Just because maybe things maybe have better to you more than that your friends. Is that time you will remember he was a liar. He was this. He talked too much. He drunker. But when you people started a friend, you see all those ingredients and you accept him as your friend. Wicked generation. That is what is happening to this our generation. We end relationship so quick. Some of us enter relationship to collect something that is great in that person's life. Immediately you take that thing off from the person's hand. You run away. You start finding fault. Repent. That is not what Christ teaches us. Be your brother's keepers. Love one another as you love yourself. Before you call someone your friend, make sure that whether good or bad is your friend. A good Christian supposed to be using the good side and forgetting the bad side of that person. We manage friends. If you can't manage someone, if you can't manage your friend, you can't make any friend. Even you that are judging that person, you are not clean. Remember, God said, no one is righteous. You are not a perfect person. Maybe your own part of character is worse than that person. But that person is tolerating you. But you can't tolerate him again. Because level have changed. Because you think that thing that person have in his hand, that time you come and meet him. Maybe you think that is no more. No one knows tomorrow. Repent, my people. Let us stop using the bad side of someone and judge him. Let us, when you count the bad side, just find one good thing from that person you will use and say, my brother, if not because of this, I could have not forgive you, but I've forgiven you. But we forget it so easy. This wicked generation. When some people will come and make you friend because of the quality or what is in your hands or what you can provide. When they collected all and they did not see it again, they start talking bad things against you. But when they came, they will be praising you, talking, God, my good friend, till they collected this, that thing. We Igbos, we need to change. May God help us to change. So my topic today is the reasons why we are not lasting with our friends, or we are not keeping friends, long friends, is because we are always calculate the bad side of our friends. Begin to think that your friend you just with. Are you trying to tell me that there is nothing good about that your friend? One thing that make you to make that person your friend before? Do you want to tell me that you just see someone you don't like anything about him, you jump into the relationship? It's lie. Let us tell the truth. Let us learn how to make a friend. Before you make a friend, you must use the good side mostly than they use the bad side and kick off or judging. A bad generation, wicked generation, where we always imitate bad things, not the good side. Let us do what Christ said. If you call me your friend, let me be your friend in times of need, in times of problem, in times of sickness. That is what called friend. If I am wrong to you, come and tell me that you have done things bad, something wrong to me. And if I have sorry to say, I will tell you sorry, my brother. We continue our journey. Let us learn how to keep a friend. Thank you. Share and subscribe.